Oh, that was a hit. Well, perfect way to end off the video. My foot is just absolutely soaked right now. This is not a good day to be fishing. Well, you all guys, I know Barnett back here, another one. And today, guys, it is Friday right now. It is like, I don't know, it's 2 more days to opening day at gun season, and it is absolutely freezing out here. It's probably like 21 degrees out here right now. I'm all bundled up. It's super cold. We just got the old four-wheeler, and we dragged back the kayak. We're gonna go put it in this lake and see if we can hammer some pike or some bass or some walleyes. I caught 3 pike yesterday. 2 of them weren't keeping size, but the other one was pretty big. Here's the rod and reel we're rocking with today at Berkley. Another Lew's, kind of like a Christmas theme, I guess. Whoa! I want to fall in right here. Okay, guys, so we are here now, and we're pretty much just going to start fishing right here. And we're just going to let the lake just drift us pretty much all the way back to the other side, and I'll paddle over here. This is kind of sketchy because whenever the wind blows, the kayak starts like rocking real, just like that, real bad. I just don't want to flip. Knowing my luck, Friday the 13th, I'm probably going to flip. Get our rod, and we'll just jig right off the side of the yak. What the heck? A fish just jumped right behind me. Oh, that was a hit. What the heck? This is not a good day to be fishing. 30 degrees. Wind's blowing hard. It ain't blowing super hard. I think we only have 8-mile-per-hour winds, but still. Yesterday, if you guys are curious what I caught them fish on, it was just like a yellow jig head and an orange swim body. But yeah, guys, this is a daredevil move right here, pretty much. I'm fishing on a tube, standing up, wobble-dobbling. Trying to catch. Yeah, if this doesn't work out soon, guys, I'm just gonna tie on a bright lime, like what the heck is that color? Like a neon green spinner bait on a 6 cents, I do believe is what this is. Football jig on a swim bait. Oh, right there, right in front of me. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. What the heck? Right next to the boat, dude. So guys, that's how I caught these fish yesterday. Is I was out here rocking on the kayak, and I seen some schools of crappie start jumping. I'd run over there, well, paddle over there, and then pike would be sitting up in there. If we can get a decent sized one today, guys, like a 30-incher, keeping size is 24, but if I can get like a 30-incher or 24-incher, we'll probably bring them back to the house and do a catch and cook. So, well, I guess I'll see you guys once I get all the way over there on the other side of the lake. If you guys are curious, the water temp's probably about -10 right now. We had ice the other day, and it was snowing. Sorry about the noise, yeah. Another bad luck today. My eye on my fishing rod did not break, but the little silver thing came out of it. Yeah, see this little piece right here. That little guy right there. A lot of the bass I seen the other day, I don't know why, it is November 13th, and it is 20 some degrees here right now, and I seen bass just smoking the top of the water yesterday. Same thing with the pike. So I don't know. And most of them were just in the weeds, so I don't know if I'll just throw a Senko or what, or a Cheeto Bandito bug and just cast up in them weeds and see if I can get one up in there. Is that a fish? No, it was a thing of weeds, I think. Oh, the wind is blowing super strong this way. That means I need to get on the totally other side of the lake so I can drift this way. Leave it in the comments down below, guys, if you guys like the kayak videos. I'll make a playlist on my channel so you guys can see. I did another video of a challenge fishing in a blow up, like an inflatable kayak. So almost like an air mattress out in 100 plus foot deep of water, catching bass and crappies. So if you guys want to go see that video, go click down in my description and go find that kayak playlist. It's a pretty cool video. I should go check it out. Well, perfect way to end off the video. My foot is just absolutely soaked right now. Completely soaked. Yeah, I'm so screwed. Well, I know, guys, that wasn't the most exciting video, but hey, at least we got to go fishing. That's all that counts. Even though we didn't catch no fish out there, we got to enjoy getting my feet absolutely soaked. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below what type of videos you guys want next. Peace out and have an amazing rest of your guys' day.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.